Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Kids Mode or Kids Space on your OPPO A6x 4G smartphone. First of all, you have to open Settings on your phone, then scroll down to Accessibility and Convenience menu, open it, and after that, you're gonna have to scroll down to Kids Mode menu, select it, agree to terms and conditions, then select the applications that you want to allow for your kid to use. Tap Next, then select a screen time limit. Select one value from this list or select a custom value from here. Then tap Next, and then you can also enable the ambient light reminder in case the ambient light is too low around your child. And you can also enable the eye protection display by switching this toggle to the right and tap OK. Allow. And now you can share your smartphone with your kid and let them use your smartphone for the time that you selected in the screen limit menu. And if you want to exit this menu, you have to tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen, select exit, and then confirm your identity either with your fingerprint or your password or your face if you have facial recognition enrolled. Besides, we can also create a shortcut for this application by tapping Add beneath Kids Mode. In this way, you will easily open or enter the Kids Mode by selecting this application on your home screen. Besides, if you tap the three dots icon and go to Parental Controls menu, you'll be able to adjust the settings that you previously set for this application. For example, we can change the apps by selecting the Edit Apps menu and selecting the application that you want to add here. You can also choose which network, if any, you want to use in the Kids Mode, and change the time limit and enable or disable the eyesight protection. And you can also remove the home screen shortcut in this menu by switching this toggle to the left. And that's it. To exit this menu, once again, three dot icon, exit, confirm your identity, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.